In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear brakes on your Subaru Impreza. Using a 19mm socket, remove the 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a 14mm wrench or socket, remove the 2 caliper bolts. I like to pull the caliper towards me to compress the piston a bit before I take it off. Pull the caliper up and put it somewhere where it's supported and you're not putting any pressure on the brake line. Remove the brake pads. Remove the 2 caliper bracket bolts using a 14mm. Remove the caliper bracket. Remove the rear rotor. Pull the little dust cap out. Put that to the side. Using a wire brush, clean the face of the hub. We're going to install the new rotor on backwards. Grab a can of parts cleaner. Spray down the face, then wipe it with a clean rag. Flip it over. Do the same thing on the other side. Install your dust cap. Remove the old shims. Use a wire brush and clean the groove. Pull your slide pins, clean them off. Re-grease them. And install it back into the caliper. Back into the caliper bracket. Do the same thing on the other one. Wipe off the old grease. Put new grease on. Install it into the bracket. I'm just going to put a little grease on these grooves where our new shims are going to sit. Install your new shims. Install the caliper bracket and the bolts. Torque those to 48 foot-pounds. Install the pads. Push the caliper piston all the way back. You can use a big pair of pliers or a pushback tool if you need to. Install it onto the bracket. Install the caliper bolts. Torque the caliper bolts to 20 foot-pounds. Install the wheel and your 5 lug nuts. Snug them down in a star pattern so that the wheel sits square. Put the car on the ground, we'll torque the wheels. Torque the wheels in a star pattern. I'm going to torque them to 100 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.